Let's go. It's time to go, go, go. It's time to go, go, go. Let's go. It's time to go, go, go. Let's go. What you waiting for? Your prayers are already answered. Do you really want it? Ain't got no time to wait. Let's go. Green light, step on the gas. Don't let no one pass. Put some pep in your steps. Follow me this way. Red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light. Do you want
So taking the crew, heading, we got Adam, we got Matt, we got Jeremy in the Jag, Val's in the Audi, I'm in the M5. We're heading over to Cars and Coffee Whitney Ranch.
Hey, you didn't say our names.
Presley and Ellie and Gracie are with us.
And they're on separate cars.
And here we go.
Do you wanna go? I got the green light, it's time to go. Woo! Let's go. Red light, it's time to go, go, go. Green light, it's time to go, go, go. Let's go. Red light, it's time to go, go, go. Green light, it's time to go. Make up your mind, check your attitude. Make your mark, that's all you gotta do. Step on the gas, don't let no one pass. If anyone asks, you got things to do. Let's go. Red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light, go. Do you wanna go, go, go? I'ma run this show. Do you wanna go? I got the green light, it's time to go. Woo! Let's go. Red light, it's time to go.
The car show was a lot of fun. It was the first time all the group of guys had kind of got together and gone to a show. Like, started at my house, we drove to the show. With these new laws and with exhaust and stuff, there's a lot of cops out enforcing, so we didn't get to have a lot of fun on the freeway like we normally would, but it was still fun. It was the second time that Cars and Coffee was being held, so for a second showing, it was a really good turnout. This one, some people, a mom had reached out to me on Facebook and was hoping I could give her kid a ride in one of my cars, so that's why I took 3 cars, is kind of let him choose which one he wanted to ride in. His name's Skyler. He was a really cool kid. He picked, first he wanted to ride in the Jag, and then I convinced him to take a ride in the new M5, the F90. And he said he loves the way the Jag sounds and the rawness of it and everything like that. Same reason I love that car. And he claimed to think that the M5 is faster. It was just a little bit too refined to be the aggressive car that he might want, which makes sense. Surprisingly, he didn't choose the Audi. I sort of messed up and didn't offer him a ride in the Audi because he probably would have liked that a lot too. The stick shift, it would have been a lot of stuff. After thinking back on why he liked the Jag, he would have definitely really had a good time in the Audi. So Skyler, if you're watching this, next time hit me up and I definitely will give you a ride in the Audi. And I should have that time, but I didn't, and my bad.